The Instagram insights we know and are used to have changed. Now, when you open your Instagram app, you should see the new Instagram Professional dashboard. I'm going to walk through some of the new features you'll want to know about as a small business owner marketing on Instagram. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Real quick, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the marketing videos we put out every week that can help you grow your business. All right, so let's start by answering the question, what is the new Instagram Professional dashboard? Instagram says it's a new central destination to help you turn your passion into a living on Instagram. There are 3 key features of Professional dashboard. 1, you can track your performance. Discover insights and trends based on your account's performance. 2, you can grow your business. Easily access tools you use to run your account more efficiently, discover new tools to help you build your business, and check monetization status and eligibility. And 3, stay informed. Learn how to make the most of Instagram through curated educational resources, including tips, tricks, guidance, and inspiration. So next I want to walk you through everything, but first, really quickly, I want to mention that if you are looking for a professional marketing agency to just handle your digital marketing for you from top to bottom, or take Instagram marketing off your plate, we perform profitable social media marketing for small businesses every day, so I'll put our contact link below in case you're interested. All right, let's walk through what the Instagram Professional dashboard looks like. Looking at your profile, tap the Professional Dashboard button, which already at a glance tells you how many accounts you've reached in the last 30 days. When you tap into it, you'll see your account insights, next steps, your tools, and tips and resources. So if you tap See All on Account Insights at the top, this will take you to the previous Instagram insights we're used to. I have an entire video covering that part of Instagram analytics, so I'll link that below in case you want to walk through of all of those insights and how to interpret them. The next section is Next Steps. This section will alert you of features you still need to set up. So it's important to note that everyone's professional dashboard screen may look a little different depending on what your account is eligible for, already has set up, and so on. For us, our next steps include setting up subscriptions and finding new potential customers. With subscriptions, we can let subscribers pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content and a badge. So their example here is posting Instagram stories that only your subscriber audience can see. And if you're thinking about setting subscriptions up too, you should know that Instagram currently does not collect any fees for subscription. So make sure you follow us on Instagram if you don't already, because you never know, we may start sharing exclusive content over there. If we go back and tap Find New Customers, it takes me to this screen, which is almost like a little Instagram blog resource on how to spark conversations with potential customers. It has tips on how to manage your Instagram chats and check your results. So again, your next steps may be different than mine, but regardless, Instagram should have prompts there for you to follow to set things up accordingly. Next up is Your Tools. I'm going to tap See All, and this is the list I have. Add tools, branded content, saved replies, frequently asked questions, and then shops under tools to try. Opening an Instagram shop doesn't really make sense for us since we're a service-based business, but if you own an e-commerce store and haven't set up your Instagram shop yet, you'll definitely want to do that. Add tools allows me to create new boosted posts or manage past ads, but as I've said before on this channel, do yourself a favor and only run Instagram ads via Facebook Ads Manager. Don't do them through the Instagram app. And if you don't know why, you haven't watched enough of our videos yet. Branded content allows me to set up branded content tools so I can start using the paid partnership label as well as manage our paid partnerships and approve creators. Saved replies are exactly what they sound like. They're replies you probably have to send often and therefore want to save, so you can just send them with a tap of the button instead of typing them out every single time. And then lastly, we have frequently asked questions. Use FAQs to help people start a conversation with you. When turned on, these questions will appear at the beginning of a chat with your account. So these are questions you receive often that you think your audience would likely be messaging you about. You can make it easy for them and offer these as buttons they can tap to send the questions right when they open a message thread with your account. The last section at the bottom is, as I mentioned, tips and resources from Instagram. So that's almost like another little blog section down there. But then if you scroll back to the top, there is one more thing I want to cover. Tap the setting wheel in the top right corner and it brings us to Instagram's business settings. This is another pathway to some of the items we've already looked at, like subscriptions and saved replies and so on. But we also see new tools here, like you can view your monetization status or set the minimum age of people allowed to view your profile and content and so on. So be sure to go through your professional dashboard settings to see if there's anything you can do to further optimize your Instagram marketing efforts. Now, the last two important things to know before we wrap up are, number one, if your app is up to date and you're still not seeing the professional dashboard, it could be your account type. It's important to note that the professional dashboard is available to business and creator accounts only on Instagram. And number two, Instagram said they will add to the professional dashboard over time as they continue to build out a suite of tools that help creators and businesses grow and succeed on Instagram. So be sure to keep a lookout for upcoming changes in your app. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys in the next episode.